In this lesson, we will discuss how to multiply numbers written in scientific notations. So I will show you, if the numbers are written in scientific notation, how we can multiply that numbers. So before going to start, one more time, I will explain to you scientific notation. A number written in scientific notation has two factors multiplied together. The first factor must be at least 1 and less than 10. This is the first condition of the scientific notation. And second is, the second factor must be a power of 10. So this is the power of 10 and this is the number less than 10. Similarly, this is the number factor less than 10, but this is the power of 10. So how we will multiply it? We will make the group here. So see this one and this one. So we will write down 1 multiplied by 3, and in the next parenthesis we will make another group of the powers 10 raised to power 4 and 10 raised to power 5. One more thing, see, these are the two parentheses and there is no sign, there is no negative sign, no positive sign, no division sign. It means if there is no sign between two parentheses, it means there is multiplication sign. If there is a dot in your books, it also means that you have to multiply. Dot means multiplication. You know this sign of multiplication, but if there is no sign, still you have to multiply these two parentheses. So 3 one time 3 and multiply by, see, these are the same base, 10 raised to power 4, 10 raised to power 5, and the relation between these two are multiplication. Whenever you have a multiplication, you have to add the power. So 4 and 5, but the condition is base should be same. This is 10 raised to power 4, 10 raised to power 4. If you suppose you have 10 raised to power 4, this one is 5 raised to power 5, you cannot add the powers. The condition is that base should be same. So we have 10, 10, then you can add the power, but you have to write down the base only one time. There is no need to write down 10 two times. So in the next step, you will do 3 multiply by 10 raised to power 9, and this is the answer. So see, in scientific notation, the first factor must be at least 1 and less than 10. So this is 3, which is less than 3. And the second factor must be a power of 10. So this is the power of 10. This is the multiplication of the scientific notation. One more question we will solve here is 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 6. No sign between these two parentheses. It means multiplication is there. So we will multiply 2 and 3. We will make a group because the first factor should be less than 10 and the other factor should be the power of 10. So power of 10 power 6, 10 cube, we will write down in one parenthesis. Here we will write down 6, and if you want, we can do one more step, same, because we have same bases, so we can add the power 6 plus 3, so it is equal to 6. The first part is 6, which is less than 10. Second part is power of 10, which is 9. This is the scientific notation and this is the answer. One more question I will solve for you. So again, see, 4 and 2, we will make the group. Now you can solve these type of questions directly. 4 2 times 8 and 10 raised to power 9. See, when I will solve it, you will get the same answer. 10 raised to power 3 and 10 raised to power 6. We will make the group. 4 2 times 8. Here I will do directly because the bases are same. So instead of making 3 plus 6, I will write down direct 9. This is the scientific notation. The first factor should be at least 1 or less than 10, which is 8. The second should be the power of 10, which is 10 raised to power 9. This is the multiplication of a scientific notation. Here I have set some practice problem for you, but again I say to you that first you have to solve these questions, then you can tell your answers. But still you have any question, you can write down in comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.